Everyone thinks the best-selling video doorbell is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Orbitel 1080p Doorbell. Let's kick things off with the Orbitel 1080p wireless video doorbell camera. This one caught my attention right away with its price tag of just $9.99, which is seriously appealing for anyone looking to enhance their home security without emptying their wallet. If you want a solid, budget-friendly option that covers the basics, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product is a great fit for you. It boasts AI-powered smart connectivity, which means it can distinguish between people and pets, so you're not getting alerts every time your neighbor walks by. The 1080p resolution allows you to see what's happening in crisp detail, and with night vision, you won't miss anything after dark. Plus, the two-way audio feature lets you chat with visitors, which is great if you're expecting a delivery. It has over 10,000 units sold in just the past month, so people clearly see the value here. Now, some people complained about the Wi-Fi connectivity only being compatible with 2.4 gigahertz bands. Here's the thing though, 2.4 gigahertz generally has better range, so if your router isn't too far, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an entry-level doorbell that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need higher resolution or advanced features. For the price, it really does deliver a lot of essentials. Now, if the limited connectivity of the Orbitel bothered you, the next one might just be what you're looking for. Product number 2, Tapo 2K Video Doorbell. Next up is the Tapo 2K Wireless Smart Video Doorbell. This one offers a bit of a step up in features, with a much clearer 2K resolution and a price that aligns with its capabilities. If you want to see every detail of who's at your door, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the ultra-wide 160-degree field of view, giving you a comprehensive view of your entryway. You'll easily spot packages or visitors without missing a thing. Plus, the spotlight for night vision means you can see in color, which really enhances security at night. What's cool is the ability to receive phone calls directly through the doorbell, making it super convenient to communicate without having to check your app constantly. It's gained traction, with 4,000 units sold last month alone. However, some users noted that the battery life could be better. Here's the thing though, if you're proactive about charging it and considering its features, it's still a great investment for your front door security. This is perfect for you if you want high-definition clarity with advanced features. Skip this one if you're tight on budget, but for those seeking quality, it's definitely worth it. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want flexibility in setup. Product number 3, Wise Battery Doorbell. Now, let's talk about the Wise Battery Video Doorbell. It's pretty cool because it offers both wired and battery options, which is great for flexibility. If you want something that adapts to your home setup, this is worth a serious look. What I love about this doorbell is its 1536p HD resolution, which gives you clearer images than standard HD, and the head-to-toe view means you can see everything happening at your doorstep. The fact that it's wire-free for up to 6 months is impressive, especially since it's easy to recharge with a USB-C. Also, no monthly fees are required, which is a big plus for budget-conscious folks. This product has sold over 4,000 units in the past month, proving its popularity. On the downside, some users found the setup a bit tricky initially, but here's the thing. Once you get past the first few minutes, it becomes so convenient and saves you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible doorbell that offers clear images and easy installation. Skip this one if you prefer a hardwired option from the get-go, but otherwise, it's a fantastic choice for most. Now, if you liked the idea of battery flexibility, the next product takes that concept even further with some added features.
Product number 4, Arlo Video Doorbell. Moving on, we have the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K. This is a premium option, and it shows with its crystal clear 2K video and advanced features. If you want top-tier security for your front door, this one's definitely worth a serious look. The Arlo doorbell includes smart alerts for package and person detection, so you're only notified about what matters. It also offers custom activity zones, which let you decide where to focus its attention. The IP65 weather resistance means it's built to withstand the elements, whether it's pouring rain or scorching heat. It's hardwired or wire-free, giving you installation flexibility. The subscription plan for advanced features is a consideration, but many users find the trial period helpful to see if it's worth it. This product has also seen 4,000 units sold last month. Now, some users mention the need for a subscription for the full experience, which can be a turnoff. But here's the thing. For those who want comprehensive monitoring, the investment may be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want advanced features and are okay with a subscription for extra security. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option. This is more of an investment in your home security. All right, that brings us to our final product, which offers no subscription at all while still packing a punch.
Product number 5, BoyFun Video Doorbell Camera. Finally, let's check out the BoyFun Video Doorbell Camera. This one stands out because it requires no subscription at all, which is pretty refreshing. If you want great features without ongoing costs, this is worth a serious look. The 2K HD resolution combined with a 166-degree wide view means you'll have a clear and expansive look at your front door. Its HDR night vision keeps things visible even in low light, and the built-in AI chip enhances its responsiveness, so you'll know when someone's at your door without delay. Plus, it offers local storage options with a micro SD card, so you're not tied down by monthly fees. It's sold over 3,000 units recently, which speaks to its popularity. But some users have pointed out that
To sum it all up, we've explored the Orbitel for budget-conscious buyers, the Tapo for high-def clarity, the Wise for flexible installation, the Arlo for advanced features, and the BuyFun for no subscription. Each one has its strengths depending on what you need. Take your time, assess what matters most to you, and choose wisely.